Hello friends, a new recruitment has come up by the Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited, shortly known as HURL, H-U-R-L HURL. So let's see what are the requirements that are being asked for this recruitment. And let me tell you in the beginning itself that this recruitment is not only for the engineering students but also for the general degree holders. So let's see the process now. So firstly, it's given the chemical discipline and the position or the post is junior engineering assistant. Essential qualification requirement is the 3 years diploma, full time diploma. It should be full time, okay, not a part time one. It has to be full time diploma in chemical engineering with 50% marks. Vacancies is 39, upper age limit 25, and experience required is 0. That means freshers can also apply for the job. So that's a very good news for the diploma holders. And second number is the mechanical engineer, same post, junior engineering assistant, 3 years full time diploma in mechanical engineering with 50% marks. Vacancies 21 numbers, upper age limit 25, and again for the freshers. Same for the electrical as well, electrical engineering, junior engineering assistant post, 3 years full time diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics with 50% marks, 15 number of vacancies, upper age limit is 25 again, and experience required is 0. Again for instrumentation, junior engineering post, junior engineering assistant post, 3 years full time diploma in instrumentation, instrumentation and control, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, whichever is the the title you are holding in the diploma, because different universities or different polytechnics have different namings for the topic. So you can any one of these, if you have, then you can apply for under the instrumentation department, right? So the number of vacancies is 15, upper age limit 25, and experience required is 0. All freshers can apply, diploma holders. It's a very good opportunity. And for the ammonia discipline, ammonia, junior engineering assistant 2, 3 years full time diploma in chemical engineering, again with 50% marks. And this is both for the diploma as well as for degree holders. Engineering assistant 1, this is for degree holders, and this is for diploma holders. Junior engineering assistant 2, this is for diploma holders in case of ammonia department. Now the earlier it was only for the diploma holders, right? Junior engineering assistant 1, okay. So now both can apply here, okay, both can apply, as well as diploma as well as the degree holders can apply here from this department onwards. So we will see the serial number, what are the departments that are being made applicable for both the diploma as well as for the degree holders. So firstly, ammonia for the diploma holders, 3 years full time diploma, and for the engineering students, same would be the percentage of marks, 50% marks from the university, okay. And the vacancies is 30 for diploma holders, and for the degree holders it's 45. So for diploma, again the upper age limit is 30, and for degree holders it's 35. But here in this case, from this case onwards, you have to have experiences now, okay. Earlier for the diploma holders, there was no minimum experience that was required. Now experience is required, okay, because this is a specific department now, ammonia, urea, okay. We'll see later on all these one by one. So now the experience required for the diploma holders in the ammonia section is 5 years, and for the degree holders it's 10 years. Again in urea section, for the diploma junior engineering assistant, 3 years diploma and engineering students or degree holders, for the degree holders 50% marks. same. Okay, earlier the degree for the diploma it's certainly it's 3 years, and for degree you just have to have the 50% marks. Both is both is similar, 50% marks for degree as well as for the diploma holders. Okay, so there is no any difference in percentage of marks for diploma or a degree, it's same. So only difference is in the experience. Okay, and here for urea, the for diploma holders the number of vacancies is 15, upper age limit 30, and number of experiences 5 years of experience. And here the number of vacancies 30, upper age limit 35, and the number of experience is 10 years. So for degree holders it's usually it's greater number of experience, greater number of years in terms of experience, right? See, all is 5 and 10, similar everywhere. So offsite and utilities, again same for diploma, for junior engineering assistant for diploma holders, and for engineering students for degree holders. Again you can see the vacancies 15, and for the degree holders it's 30. Maximum upper age limit for diploma holders is 30, upper age limit for degree holders is 35, and same the experience is 5 years for diploma, 10 years for degree holders. Okay, so similar you can see for mechanical engineering, same. Okay, same, the 5 years experience, 10 years experience for degree holders. Okay, everything is same. So you just need to understand the or know which are the departments, where where you can apply for this recruitment. So mechanical, and after that electrical, or everything is same again for diploma and degree. Okay, just the vacancies are different. Okay, the vacancy number of vacancies are different, that's it. And again after electrical you have got the instrumentation. Okay, same, everything same, nothing, no difference. And store, for store again, now the general degree holders, now the general degree holders can apply now. So for junior store assistant and store assistant, BA, BSc, BCom from a recognized university with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Okay, now the general BA degree holders, BSc, bachelor degree holders, that means they can also apply now for the store department. Okay, with just 50% marks. Okay, and the number of vacancies 3, 6 and 3. Okay, because junior store assistant, store assistant, store assistant 2, these are all separate distributions. Okay, this is the upper age limit 30, 35, 40, and experience required is 5, 10, 15. Okay, so again for the finance and accounts, same goes for this as well. Full-time BCom, for the BCom students with 50% marks, these are the vacancies, upper age limit and number of experiences. Okay, finance and accounts, urea product and handling, again the engineering students, for the engineering student, urea product handling, 3 years full-time diploma in chemical engineering with 50% marks. For the degree holders and diploma holders, again for the urea product handling, the number of vacancies 15, upper is 30, experience required is 5, for the degree is required is 10. Okay, environment and quality control for BSc students with 50% marks. Okay, quality assurance inspection for quality department, BSc student is required. BSc student with physics, chemistry, maths, any of this subject as a major subject in bachelor. Okay, so and with 50% marks. So this is the requirement. Number of vacancies is 6, and you have to have 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience for degree holders. For the quality assistant one, both are degree holders, but for quality assistant and junior quality assistant, the department is different. So for that experience is required in less numbers, it's 5, and here it's 10. both are for both department you have to be a bachelor degree holder, but the department is different. The designation is different. One is junior and quality assistant. Okay, so that's it. Now the cutoff age. The within which you will be applicable would be the 31/3/2021. That means from the date of birth and to this date, the upper age limit has to be within that date, from your birth date and this cutoff date. This upper age limit has to be within these two dates. So this is the cutoff date, 31/3/2021. And now these are general instructions. You can read it, but it's understandable for everybody. Now the remuneration. Okay, remuneration, it's a very good payment actually for the freshers. It's given straight away 3 lakhs. It's really a good remuneration is being provided here. So it's 3 lakhs for freshers, 3 lakhs, and for person with minimum 5 years of experience, 4.1 lakhs, and for person with 10 years of experience, it's 4.9 lakhs. And minimum experience, which have got 15 years of experience, they would be receiving 5.8 lakhs per annum. So it's a good amount. It's a decent, handsome amount actually. So guys, those who are eligible or applicable for this post, really try hard to get through this examination process. It's really a big opportunity for the students seeking for job actually. And the selection process, and there will be a computer based test. CBT will be there, followed by a trade test. Trade test would be discipline oriented. Okay, it will be a topic or the department in which you are applying. That related test will be followed after the computer based test. If you will pass this CBT test, there will be a trade test, and the test would be a objective type test. Okay, and this test would be objective type test. And there's a negative marking as well. The duration of test would be for 2 hours, consisting of 100 questions. Okay, 2 hours duration. MCQ questions, answers will be in MCQ type. Okay, multiple choice question. And there will be a negative marking. There will be a negative marking will be there. 1/4 of the answer will be deducted for every wrong answer. 1/4. Okay, so you have to be very much conscious with the attempt of answering to every question. So these are all general instructions now. And if you get through this examination, the CBT test and the trade test, after that you will have to go through physical fitness test. But this is after the CBT test. If you pass both the test, if you are called for the document verification, or after that 2 tests, only after that the physical test will be conducted. Okay, so and again there is an application fee of ₹300, and non-refundable. There is a non-refundable application fee. It's of ₹300 you have to pay, and only online method or online payment method is accepted. There will not be any offline or any challan method. Only an online payment method will be accepted. Okay, so ₹300. And all the venue, date, time of CBT test will be intimated in the admit card. Okay, these are all general instructions. And now if you have any queries regarding any information, any topic, if you have any questions, if you have any confusion while filling up the form, then you can just call up this number and you clarify your doubts. This is the number, and there's an official number. You can clarify your doubts. Okay, and the just know the date. Starting date, it's 3/8/2021, and last date 16/8. I mean 16 August. It would be over by 16 August. The application process will get over. So try to complete your registration very much before the last date of registration, because at the very last date of the it becomes complicated, because the website, it's sometimes it becomes so sluggish that you can also fail in registration process. Okay, so try to do your registration as early as possible before the last date. And you should also know the cutoff date, the 31/3/2021. So calculate from your birth date with this cutoff date whether your age limit falls within this two date. Then you will know whether you are applicable for this job or not. Okay, so that is it for this video. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.